This short video will show you how to register for Compass, the app for TPS families. To begin, click the white Register button. Carefully enter the email address you use to enroll your students in the Tacoma School District. Click the blue Send Invitation button to continue. Open a new browser tab to find the email from Microsoft Invitation. If you don't see the email, wait a few minutes and try again, or check your junk and spam folders. Click Accept Invitation. If you see the Review Permission screen, you have already created a Microsoft account. Click the Accept button to complete the registration. You are now registered for Compass. If you see the Create Account screen, continue to watch and follow the video to create a Microsoft account from the Create screen. Click Next. Enter a password for your new account and click Next. Now go back to your email account and find the email from the Microsoft account team. Locate and make note of the 4-digit security code. Return to the Verify email screen and enter the 4-digit security code. Then click Next. On the account screen, click Next. You'll now solve a short puzzle to verify that you are a real person. Once you've solved 3 puzzles, you'll advance to the Review Permission screen. Click Accept. You are now registered for Compass, the app for TPS families.